Hi everyone, it's Show here. As you know, we have been fighting to protect the constitutional right to free speech for the more than 170 million Americans who use our platform every day to connect, create, discover, and achieve their dreams. On behalf of everyone at TikTok and all our users across the country, I want to thank President Trump for his commitment to work with us to find a solution that keeps TikTok available in the United States. This is a strong stand for the First Amendment and against arbitrary censorship. As we've said, TikTok is a place where people can create communities, discover new interests, and express themselves, including over 7 million American businesses who earn a living and gain new customers using our platform. We are grateful and pleased to have the support of a president who truly understands our platform, one who has used TikTok to express his own thoughts and perspectives, connecting with the world and generating more than 60 billion views.
Good afternoon everyone! Dito ako ngayon sa aking work for today. Titingin tayo ng mga damit. 3KD oh. 3KD jacket. 3KD. Doon may 2KD. Dito 3KD. Ayan oh, Kuwait. Jacket. Ito naman ang 2KD. Kuwait siya. Jacket. Ayan. 25 February. Dito yan, oh. Man-to-man. Sa man-to-man. Dito to sa taas ng shop namin. Umakyat lang ako dahil ako ay mag-CR. Charot. Hindi ko alam kung okay na yung dito, oh. Yung, hello. Hello. Dito, oh. Black. Black dress. Ito naman, blue. Ay, nakalimutan ko. White. Ayan, oh, pang party daw. Pang party. Nakalimutan ko. Ha? White naman siya, oh, white. Ayan, jacket. Jogging pants. Ayan, mga jacket, oh. 3KD 900. Jacket Victory. 3KD 900. Ayan, oh. Alin naman? Iyon.
Ito green.
Green? Magandang green?